Every agency owner hits the same wall at some point. Too many clients, too many tools, and not enough time. You start your day opening 10 tabs: WhatsApp, Gmail, Sheets, Slack, Notion, and by lunch, you've already lost track of who replied where. It's not because you're bad at managing, it's because you're running your business in fragments. That's what happens to most agencies when they grow fast. Systems stay the same, but the workload doubles. You hire more people, add more tools, and hope it'll solve the problem, but it doesn't. Instead of creating clarity, you end up creating more noise. And every lead that slips through the cracks costs you time, revenue, and reputation. So what's missing? It's not clients, not talent. It's a system that actually scales with you. Let's be honest, growth doesn't break agencies. Chaos does. When you're small, you can handle things manually. 5 clients, 10 leads a week, all good. But when you scale, that same process becomes a bottleneck. Most agencies plateau not because they lack opportunities, but because their operations can't keep up. You've probably heard the phrase, you don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. And in the agency world, that couldn't be more true. Now, here's where Go High Level, or GHL, changes the game. It's not just a CRM, it's an operating system for agencies. Think of it as your digital command center. Then, let's break it down in simple, practical terms. Most CRMs are built for sales teams. Go High Level is designed for agencies. Multi-client, multi-account, white-labeled, scalable. Second, Automation Hub. You can automate follow-ups, reminders, onboarding, reporting. Basically all repetitive admin work. Third, Client Portal. Instead of sending spreadsheets, your clients get a branded portal with live updates and communication threads. Fourth, Unified Communication. No more checking WhatsApp, Gmail, and DM separately. Everything, SMS, email, Instagram, Messenger, lands in one inbox. Fifth, Reporting and Accountability. Your team can see exactly what's happening, who's replied, which leads are hot, which are cold. So instead of running your agency on guesswork, you start running it on data. How agencies can use it strategically. Use Case 1, lead generation agencies. You can centralize leads from Facebook, Google Ads, and landing pages into one pipeline, set up auto responses, qualify them instantly, and notify your team in real time. Use Case 2, social media/creative agencies. Track client communication in one place, automate feedback reminders, and use the client portal for approvals. Use Case 3, real estate or local businesses. Automate appointment booking, reminders, and rescheduling. No human follow-up needed. The power isn't in the tool, it's in how you use it to replace friction with flow. Use Case 4, freelancers/small teams. Start offering your clients their own branded dashboards. That's how you move from being a service provider to becoming a system partner. Build systems, not tools. This is where most agencies miss the point. They think tech will fix their chaos, but tech only amplifies what already exists. If your system is messy, GHL won't magically organize it. But if you define a process, Go High Level can make it run on autopilot. That's why smart agencies are focusing less on hiring more people and more on building better systems. Systems don't take sick days. Systems don't forget follow-ups. Systems don't lose clients. And the agencies that figure this out, they scale faster, smoother, and with less burnout. At Target Integration, we are your CRM and ERP matchmaker. We help you find the right solution that fits your business needs and goals. So, if you're an agency owner who wants to automate your client management, streamline lead handling, improve communication, and finally scale without chaos, we can help you implement Go High Level the right way. Because tools don't create growth, systems do. And Go High Level, when customized properly, becomes the system that supports your growth.